Keyed alike using single-sided 701 style key. Universal door latch. Constructed of die-cast steel then painted. Mounting screws and instructions included. The Junior Products camper door latch is keyed alike using a single-sided 701 style key and constructed of die-cast steel before painting. Mounting screws and instructions are included. Top reviews from the United States. Well-made product. Everything was excellent, except that if you have the rod a little too long, the lock can be overridden, and I did follow the instructions. If that happens, just trim the rod an additional 1/16 of an inch and it works fine.